कुल मिला के बात यहाँ पे आ गई कि पैसिविटी से जिएंगे भाई, और बच बच के जाएंगे जितना दूर हो सके। बिल्कुल ऐसा भी नहीं जाएंगे कि जहाँ पे अननेसेसरी सफरिंग हो, उसी तक सहेंगे जहाँ पे वो हमारा पर्सनल बाउंड्री ना क्रॉस होता हो। और यस बिल्कुल यहाँ पे हम रहेंगे, बिल्कुल बिल्कुल। और अगर इतना पैसा हो जाए कि हम लाइक 30 लोगों को, 22 लोगों को, 11 तुम ले लो, 11 तुम ले लो क्रिकेट के, 11 फुटबॉल के टीम अगर मैं खड़ा कर पाऊँ, और मैं महीने भर का मतलब यू नो मंथली बेसिस पे क्या बोलूँ उसको, सैलरी दे के मैं रख सकूँ, I'll be back, because anyway death is the important and no one can touch us then, okay, at that kind of level, right? It's important. Until that time you need to little bit work on, like you need to be secure, and you also need playing, you also need free movements also, as well as the basic needs, the basic ego playing of body, sex, mind also. Sometimes it does need ego. At least if I am realizing that okay, on a big level I am living on passivity, then what's the point of ego? No point of ego. Ego will not come at the time. Dissipation and not come of ego, not arrival of ego anywhere. But bodily ego will be there, bodily fitness will be there. That's it. You don't want an intervention in your playing. Bodily, sex, all these stuffs can be a function of love and freedom also, or the clarity of death key also, right? Or not for the ego only. So for that to happen, you need to maintain some basic security, freedom, work, and passion also. That's it. Passion also you need to maintain. That's it. Definitely, I have some people in my compulsion list that is also a factor, or else my decision would be different right now. Anyway.